Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook page not eligible for monetization, right? So many of the creators are facing this issue. You can say this is my page and I'm facing the same issue. So how I can fix it? So basically, if you get any notification about the monetization, you can just click on that. And if you haven't got any monetization or anything, you can just click on the top right side corner. Basically, this is a menu icon, right? Once you click on here, you have to just go to the bottom. Now here, click on the help and support. Once you click on help and support, you can just click on report a problem, right? By clicking on report a problem, you can just get here, but the best option is that the creator support. So just click on creator support. Once you click on creator support, just click on continue, right? And here you will get this option of monetization. Just click on the monetization, right? And here see what monetization tools are available for you. So if I just click here, I will just get redirected to something new. Here you can see that basically how many things I have to do to get my channel monetization. But if you have already did that, then it's great. And these are the feature which I can access if my my page got monetized, right? So here, but here we can see that we are just facing some kind of issue. So right now we are facing that we are not eligible for monetization. You have to click on program eligibility, right? And here you will get this option, check your page eligibility. Just click on this and here you can just click on check eligibility. So it will check that whether your page is eligible or not. If it didn't, if your page is not eligible, then there's a no way. You have to just make sure that views and watch hours should be completed. But if you're once you have got the good amount of views and watch time, then but still your page is not getting monetization, just go to the bottom and just click on no. Once you click on no, I can't find out what I'm looking for, and you have to write all the issues, right? And you have to just submit it. Once you click on the submit, you will get a mail over your Facebook account, notification on your Facebook account, and an email over your Gmail, right? Or whatever email you are using. After that, you will get an option that how why you're not monetized. If you're facing some kind of issue, maybe you have not gone through the guidelines and rules and regulations of the Facebook. That's why this could be the reason, right? So they will specify it for each and everything. So this is it, guys. I hope you found this video really useful. If you did, make sure to like this video. See you guys in the next video.